Alright, so in this video we are going to see how we can copy an audio CD into our PC. So it's very simple, but still a lot of people does not really know how to do it. They are looking for a lot of softwares on the internet to copy audio CDs, but you actually don't need any additional application to copy the audio data. So in this video we are going to see how you can do it in very simple steps. So first of all, let me put an audio CD into my PC. Okay, yeah, so it's here. So if you okay, it's okay, it's here now. So if you try to copy your data from this CD directly, you will not be able to do it. If you can see, every file is in 1 KB of size. So if I copy that, I will not be able to play it into my PC later. So the correct way to copy this whole data is simply go to Windows Media Player. That is by default application which is present in your Windows system, not on Mac at this time. So when you open, you need to go to unknown albums. So in unknown albums, you will be able to see all these tracks. So these are the same tracks which are here. Now what you need to do is you simply need to select all these tracks from here, and then you need to click on rip CD. So now one by one this will be ripped, and it will be saved in your C drive in music folder. Let me fast forward. Now we are done. So now to find your data, you need to go to your C drive in music, and here you can see there will be a unknown artist folder, or it will always be named as unknown because audio CD usually come with unknown name. And when you go there, you can see that this is the latest file which we have copied just now. Yeah, so this one. So now you can copy and paste to any location of your PC. It will work fine. You can also send it to someone else who need it. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.